Hey guys, XcelAlgo here. Today I'm gonna talk about futures, just kind of in general. I know a lot of you wanted kind of just like an intro video. Um, so to begin, you have the CME Group. They're basically just a financial services company. You use a brokerage to basically trade futures. Now, you can trade a bunch of different things, right? There's a bunch of different futures types. There's financials, there's indexes, currencies, metals, energies, agriculture. You can trade Bitcoin, right? All There's a bunch of different stuff. I know a lot of people like to trade Bitcoin. You can do that using the algorithm as well. I have other videos that explain exactly how to be profitable in that, and there'll be more videos coming out with me going live and whatnot. Um, okay, so why futures? So one thing is the tax benefits. Normally with futures, you're taxed on like a 60-40 basis. So 60% of your profits are taxed on long-term capital gains, and 40% as ordinary income. Now, if you're just doing regular stocks and your profits, you're taxed like 100% as ordinary income. So you can talk to your tax guys. You can look into that. A lot of good tax benefits. We use the Apex Trading Fund, so we don't actually have to use our own money. So we just pay a small monthly fee. We're able to use that money and accumulate with our algorithm, able to accumulate thousands of dollars a month fairly easily. So normally what do we trade? So we trade futures. We trade NQ, MNQ. There's also Bitcoin too that's popular. So MNQ is just a smaller size versions of NQ. So one NQ would be 10 MNQ. Now this would be similar to an option, right? You have a strike price that you set, but with the future contracts, you don't really have to worry about the date and time, expiration, and all that. Futures do have expirations, but what you do is you just move to the next future contract. So if you're playing March, you'll just move it to the next quarter that comes out in June or July, and I explain all that um, while I'm trading, and I'll let y'all know when I'm switching. But it's fairly easy. It's just buy and sell. If you think it's going up, you buy. If you think it's going down, you sell. You don't have to worry about anything else. No decay, nothing like that. Um, so they talk about ticks. So ticks are here specifically on the CME group. It has some information. So 1/4 of it, or one tick, is 0.25 points, and it's $5 profit. So 1 point. So if I say, oh, it's 4 ticks, that means it's 1 point, and you've done $20 profit. MNQ is 1/10 the size of this. That's why I say when you're trading, start with MNQ. It's 1/10 the size of NQ. So one tick is 1/10 the size of $5. So that's your profit every tick you go. So if you have one NQ and you make 1 point, it goes very fast on futures. NQ moves fairly quickly, so you can get a lot of volatility, and that's what you want to make some good profit. Now, if you were to trade this on your own, you would need, I think it's like $12,000 cash to play a couple NQ. So you have to have basically a margin account, because essentially you can lose infinity if they don't stop you. This can go all the way down and all the way up, respectfully. So that's pretty much here. We have a breakdown here of ES. So ES I like to use for specific levels. You have NQ, MNQ that I normally play, and then you can easily see the fluctuation and the dollar amount value. They have some examples here, right? You can. This is all pretty basic stuff. But for example, if we were trading ES, and I were to lose, let's say I said buy, but it goes down 15 points, I've probably lost like $1,500, give or take. So you can kind of tell here, 0.25 points is $12.50. So full point, is like $50. So we use Tradeovate here with Apex. They give us funded accounts, And just like here, you have your tickers, and I save NQ, MNQ, ES. That's what I watch. I can put my trades here. Um, I have my orders. You can have a list of tickers if you want as well. You can add a bunch of different um, columns here. You can add even regular stocks as well here, right? You can have everything customized. Um, you can also go to TradingView will have it, right? You go in and you search ES or MNQ or NQ or the Bitcoin ticker. You know, it'll all be there. You can trade here. A lot of people um, they trade, and then you can actually set buy and stop based off of the chart. I like to use the DOM, as you'll see in my other videos. Um, but when it comes down to it, if you think it's going up, you buy. You think it's going down, you sell. You stick to MNQ, NQ, and follow our other videos on how to trade the algorithm. I mean, it's all pretty basic stuff. Yeah, that's it for this video, guys.